Let's start the video. Please wait a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back another tutorial. Then open Pixel Photo Editor. Then select sticker options of the VLAN. Select background. Okay, watch video until the end. Like video, subscribe video. Video is ready. Like and subscribe my video.